Hi everyone!
Hello!
We are at my mom's house for a couple of days. Yes, so we are baking in her kitchen, so we might not know where we are or what we're doing. But
we never know.
We don't. What are we making tonight, Paisley?
BBQ chicken pizza!
And that is by Amanda Cooks and Styles. So barbecue chicken sounds good to me. I love it. So we're going to make that. And then what are we doing on the side?
Roasted brown sugar baked carrots!
And that is by Mama Lou. Her blog is super cute. Her last name, I couldn't remember exactly, but it started with Lou. So that's why it was Mama Lou. So it's cute. We have a few changes to do to that. So let's get started.
Woohoo!
Hi, I'm Panay.
I'm Paige. And I'm Paisley.
And we're the Pestos. This is a dab of crazy.
Make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And check out our blog for more recipes, funny stories, and our other social media.
Let's get cooking!
Okay, so I am using my mom's Instapot because you know how much I love my Instapots.
It's kind of our thing.
It is. So I'm gonna saute the chicken in here.
Ooh, smells good.
Yeah. So
Chicken breast.
Yeah, I'm using breasts because that's what Instacart brought me. So that's what we have.
Mm-hmm.
So we hit saute. So we'll let that go. Actually, so we're gonna maybe pepper it. Pepper, salt. Okay, so we got that started. We'll let that saute.
Hopefully there's... Oh, good. There's no cans.
No cans. No, not tonight. You want to grab the baggie, and we're gonna. She says to do this.
I'm dying.
Open it. We don't have all of our handy little tools, so. She says to lay it out on parchment paper, but that sounds like too much work. So, baby carrots are super easy. It's put everything together basically, and then put it in the oven. But the reason that
maybe eat a few.
But the reason that it needs to be done first is because she says that for baby carrots, this is like almost gone. I feel like I'm gonna be here forever grinding this. But she says for baby carrots to go longer than what her recipe asks for. So yeah. And olive oil. Let me have a little olive. These things suck. They're like the worst. A little bit. Okay. Put that back. Let me get this. All right, so my mom didn't have brown sugar and I forgot to bring some from home. So we are working with coconut sugar. So we're going to do that. We got cinnamon. I did the salt and pepper.
We have
and
never
butter.
Butter.
Okay, so first we need 4 tablespoons of butter. You know how to do 4 tablespoons?
Yep.
Okay, so 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. But like I said, my mom didn't have brown sugar, so we are using coconut sugar.
I'm putting this in the fridge.
Okay. Well, we need it for the other one, so.
Never mind. Never mind.
But we do need the butter melted, so I think that's 4.
Who knows?
Okay, pour it in there. Okay, that's it, right? Carrots, salt and pepper, cinnamon, sugar, and butter. And then,
Let me do it.
okay. Okay,
No!
let me help you.
This gonna be good.
Yes.
Very good, 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 good,
And
good,
then,
good, 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 good.
ooh, look at these already. Pour those in there.
Actually, can I eat them?
They will be even better when we're all done, I promise. Let's see. Let's get this in the oven.
I smell chicken.
Ouch.
You okay?
Burn my hand off. Here. Okay. So I'm actually going to turn this off. This is why I love the Instapot. Maybe. Come on. Okay. Is because I can saute and cook it. So I'm going to throw it on meat for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, so
Okay, so
there it is.
Hurt my eye.
So we're cooking the chicken. I'm gonna dice up the onion so that we have it.
Let me do it.
The other part, once the chicken is done, what it says is to place it in a bowl to shred, and then in the same place where you cooked the chicken, toss in the onion, the red wine vinegar, and the butter, and let that caramelize, and then you put that on the pizza. So I'm going to cut this up.
My eyes! They're dying!
You ain't even the one cutting.
Ah.
Okay. There's that. Okay, you want to open one?
Yes!
Okay. She likes these. I think all kids like it when it's like the Jack in the Box when you do it and it's like, when is it gonna pop? And then it pops. I can't even get mine. Okay. Oof, come on! I win.
I did it!
I won though. All right. So wait. Let's do one at a time because they're gonna
Plop.
maybe
3, 2, 1, plop.
plop. Okay. Oop, gonna lose it. Let's get this one
Yeah, my
unrolled.
switch. Woo!
It's trying to roll off the.
Wow!
I know they're so pretty, huh? I love these.
Looks like a carpet.
We did every pizza since. Oh, Instapot's yelling at me. But every pizza since, I don't know, like the very first one we did, can't even remember, was it? Now I lost which one it was, but one of the pizzas we did before used this pizza crust, the
I almost fell off the table.
the Pillsbury
Wait,
pizza
fell?
crust, and so now I love it. So, okay, you want to throw those away?
He finally got his mission to escape.
Okay, sprinkle it carefully. Try not to make Nana's kitchen a cheese factory. So while you're doing that, I'm going to check our chicken.
Cheese.
Oh, perfect. It's very steamy. All right. So she says to pull the chicken out of the bowl that it was in. So I am doing that, or in the where it was cooked, and put it in a bowl, because then you use the pot in which it was in
For
to melt the butter, do the butter, the red wine, and the onions. So this is great because we're not getting a ton of dishes dirty, especially because I don't know where all the dishes are in this kitchen. So
a point she has.
the onion in here. This is like super easy. We already got the ouch. The
Pizza ready?
no, the corn. The
It's
carrots
corn!
in. Yeah.
A big lemon. It has a juice. It has a juice.
So we already got the carrots going. I've got the chicken halfway done. I've got the chicken done. I just need to shred it. I'm gonna make the onions.
Can I shred it?
You can try.
Yay!
Get all the cheese. Move it around. See on the edges, so that it's not just melting off the pan. So we could eat the cheese and not. I don't mean right now. So I forgot what I was saying. Throwing the butter in, maybe.
Okay.
If I can get it out of the. Come on. Okay. Butter and.
No.
Nope. Hasn't been used. Okay. Using all of my mom's stuff. Oh, this is very slow and painful. Okay, there's one. And two. You peel cilantro. I will shred chicken. The onion is.
Why can't we do vice versa?
Because it's not exactly easy to shred the chicken, and we'll be here all night if I let you. I'm having a hard time with it. So then she says to just put the barbecue. Yeah, I'm not measuring a tablespoon or two, whatever it is.
We like it.
I'll just mix the barbecue sauce on there. So yeah, then she just says mix the chicken with the barbecue sauce. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of, maybe if it'll come. Can you take the other fork and help to, yeah, there we go. Let's work together. Spread it around. I'm gonna put half of it on here and you can kind of spread it. All right, and then some, oh, they're just going, sauteed onions.
I can't wait for the taste of this.
It's gonna be pretty good.
Pretty good. It's gonna be bomb diggity dang bomb.
Sure. You want to take your fingers and move the onions around?
Yeah.
Because I kind of dumped them all
Hot.
in one spot.
Hot.
Okay, let me check. Oh, I think they are.
You think?
I don't know. I'm gonna find out.
We're tasting.
Pull it down. Maybe.
I'm talking. Ow.
Oh, that looks yummy. All right. So we've got the chicken, that. We're going to, I think we could put the cilantro on first. So it doesn't have to be a ton. You can just put some on.
That needs to be spread.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get a bit in. Ooh.
be so yummy.
One.
That's thing number 1, and thing number 2 is going in. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. All right.
Wow!
Whew. Let's try again. We tried once, but it was still a little bit soft in the center, so.
It was a little bit doughy.
Ooh, that's better. Okay.
All the chicken's perfectly crispy.
Well,
Cancel?
sure. They look delicious.
They look. They probably are.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I picked this.
Yeah, I am too. So follow us on our other social media and you can find out how it tastes. Or you can cook it yourself. But we're gonna go eat now.
The second one is probably gonna be the better choice.
Sure. Bye.
Bye 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 bye.